Alright guys, today we are at Mowry and Cotton here at the Phoenician. Actually staying here for our wedding. Beautiful resort. It's just downstairs from the lobby. Let's go inside and check it out. Alright guys, the menu, go ahead and pause. You can check out what they've got for breakfast here. Alright, so Nicole went with the green nectar juice. It's got kale, ginger, green apple. Looks pretty tasty. Alright, I went with the Huevos Rancheros. Medium egg on top, cotija cheese, some chicken in there, blue corn. And Nicole went with the egg white frittata. It's got tomatoes, kale, it's got a pesto sauce underneath with the feta cheese. Looks good. Alright guys, breakfast was really good. Nicole liked hers. Cost on that, with tip, $75. Yes, it's expensive. So anyways, check this place out. The Phoenician is very nice and it's a nice location. Downtown Scottsdale, Arcadia. All right, till next time. See ya.